ATIQC has developed a process to recycle aerospace residue into high-quality powder for 3D printing. This is done using a direct conversion process without CO2 emission at 50% of the usual cost of production. The process and feasibility are proven. We are starting our first plant of production, and we will expand in 2022. Our R&D was aligned on the objective to produce material at lower cost, lower environmental impact, with shorter delivery time for the best metal currently used. We work hard and we succeed.